What up, what up, what up? In this video, I'm gonna just teach you how to, or show you how I built the frame for myself with my tufting gun to make some rugs, some custom rugs. And then I'll also show you another video of how I made my first rug. And in the descriptions, I'm gonna show you all the materials list and the cut list for the stuff that I made. You can make it smaller or whatever, so you can make it to fit with your whatever your space is. But the one that I made is it's like really pretty much 5x7 is the tufting area, but one of it's longer, so because I have the hooks coming out of it. But I hope you guys like the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me out. Again, it helps me grow the YouTube channel. Also, another way to support me, you can buy my merch. You can shop my website, askmecast401.com. But without further ado, let's get into the video.
So I went to the local, hardware store. I went to Home Depot, and I just went and got my supplies there. So you can find this pretty much anywhere in your hardware location. So here I'm grabbing the 2x4s, making sure I get like 5 of them. They're 8-footers, and I'm just gonna test them out and see if the boards are straight, making sure that they're Gucci before I just grab some wobbly. And I'm just loading that thing up. Look at me, smooth operator. And now I'm getting the dowels that I'm gonna use to pretty much put the yarn in. I got them for like 98 cents. The fisheye hooks to run the yarn through. Pretty much that's what's gonna be on the hang. Gotta get the wheels. Look at the wheels. But they were kind of hella expensive, I'm not gonna lie. So I ended up selling for these $9 ones right here with the brakes. And it worked out pretty good. Got 4 of them things. Now I gotta get the carpet tack. You gotta be careful, you don't stab yourself. But I got a couple of them things. I got like 4 of them. You don't really need that much. Or I think I got like 6. Because I wanted to make another frame. And then I also got the Roberts 6700. The gallon, because I knew I was gonna make a big rug. Put everything on his art. Just checking, showing you guys everything that I got pretty much in this one location. You can get everything at Home Depot pretty much. And me checking out, you know what I'm saying? Gotta pay the man to pay the man. And now I'm here, just about to show you the cuts. Measuring my cuts out. You gotta measure twice, cut once, you know the vibes. And I use a miter saw to make my cuts, but you can use a circular saw if you have them. And then here's what your cut should look like. Now I'm just making sure that ends at the 7-inch mark, or 7-foot mark I should say. And then now I'm just using a pocket joiner, or pocket hole maker, Craig's, and just making my pocket holes to join them together. It's an easy way to do it, but you don't necessarily have to do that. I just like the way it looks, and it's just easy and clean to look. Look at the pocket holes. So now I'm just installing it now. So if you're by yourself, just try to brace it against a wall like I did right here if you don't have any extra hands, so that you can get some support and stability. You know what I mean? Make life easier, work smarter, not harder. Look at that boy work. Right here, you should real easy. You just put the 2 ends. Like I said, you have that little hangover. Now, right now, I'm about to make where the little holes for the dowels. So you're gonna have to use a drill bit to kind of make a little hole for it, but don't go all the way through, as you can see. So just big enough where you can make the dowels fit through it, kind of flush. So I'm just drilling another hole just to show you, fitting it, making sure, but I'm not trying to go through the whole wood, as you can see. And I was just using like some fabric wood that I was laying around, some like, I don't know what the hell that is, like a 1x4. And then I just use a drill bit to just drill right through that centerpiece, so I could just drill through the back end and make sure I get it right down the dowel, as you can see here. It's kind of like a shitty angle, but fuck it. So as you can see, now you have a dowel sticking on where you can put the yarn through. And then I'm gonna just join it with the pocket holes, baby. side of the frame. I wish I would have I should have got a smaller dowel, to be honest with you, because where I got my yarn, it doesn't really fit well. But here I'm just finishing it all up, adding the top to the frame, and almost done. Got a couple things to do now, but I'm just adding that last final touches. But what I decided to do was reinforce it and add some miter cuts right there to just kind of put it to make it stable and not as wobbly. I would recommend doing this, but again, I had to make a miter cut, so if you don't got a miter saw, it's gonna be kind of hard, but it can be done with a circular saw. So another look at it right here. So I just made it really sturdy. It's not gonna wobble, it's gonna keep it straight, give it the support that it needs. As you can see, I was installing the hooks right here. So that's why that one 2x4 is 8 foot right there. And the rest you just gotta cut down. And now I'm working on the legs. So from the scraps of what I got, I just recycled and used to make legs as well as the wheels. So right here, you can see the legs are already made. So I think the bottom is about 2 foot and then the stand is about 3 feet up. And then I just, again, from the scrap wood, just make little bracers so that it could just support the legs. Now I'm adding the wheels, you know, gotta add the wheels. Now I'm gliding. Nice job. So now I'm just trying to brace the frame up so then I can kind of align the legs up. So as you can see, I have like some stuff just holding up the frame, and then I just drilled in the legs so that it could stay at the height that I wanted to. But I wish I would have went a little lower. It's a little high to clear the doorway, so it's gonna stay where it's at for now. And right now we just got the tag strips. This is the time we're gonna install them. And then I had to kind of break some because they come in 4-footers, so you're gonna have to break some ends off, and it's hammer time, baby. As you can see, you're just gonna hammer them in at the ends, and then there's an arrow that points up, and that's how you want them to direct. And right here, I have all the tag strips on now. As you can see, I had to break some pieces off, but now I have it with the monk's cloth off. And just, what do you guys think, man? Tell me what you think. I think I did a pretty good job here. Check me out, looking pretty professional. Like, I saved a lot of money and made it the size that I wanted to. Instead of like buying a pre-made frame.
And there you have it, folks. That's just a quick video showing you how to make the frame. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what y'all think of the frame. And then if you want to see my first rug, check out my other video. It should be over here, and if not, just click the link or just click my channel and you can find it there. But again, thank you for watching the video. If you got to this point, I appreciate y'all. And this ain't the only or the last. We just only starting. So again, I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a blessed one. Peace.